Dull colors fixed by Epson PowerLite L690SU plus 3 LCD results. Ever black out a room just to read your slides, yet still squint through washed-out colors? I stared at my Epson 6200 Lumen demo yesterday. Ambient light killed it flat. Total drag. Does this sound like your Tuesday? Let me know in the comments. Epson PowerLite L690SU short throw laser projector? Let's unpack if it's your fix. Deadlines drown in dim demos. Brain fog from fiddling mounts. Weekends lost recalibrating lamps. Exhausting wait. That heavy haze of good enough projectors fading fast. Standard DLP lamps flickered out after 2K hours. Tried. Failed. I knew there had to be a chaos-free path. Laser reliability, short throw freedom, without endless service calls. Hope flickered brighter. The first time I fired up Epson PowerLite L690SU 6200 Lumen short Throw WUXGA 3 LCD laser projector, a 100-inch boardroom demo lit from 4 feet away in daylight. Game over for shadows. Unique? Laser blast 20K hours maintenance free, no lamps. Stack wins, 6,200 lumens conquer ambient light, vivid slide shine. 0.48 to 1 throw fits tight spaces, huge image close. 3 LCD equals color or white brightness. No rainbows, pro graphics POP. Motorized lens shift plus minus 50% vertical blends edges seamlessly. 360 degrees portrait mode warps any surface. HDBaseT snakes 100 meters cable. Network RS-232 and PJLink schedules fleets. Feelings? Relief washes, control surges. Busy AV integrator nearly missed museum deadline. L690SU's geo-correction mapped curved wall in minutes. Exhibit wowed. Pure ease. Time flows to focus. 6,200 lumens sharpen decisions. Short throw boosts engagement. Laser uptime fuels 24/7 signage. Results cascade. ROI soars. Not me alone. AV expert. Trade pub. Impressive colors even lit. Flexible beast. Influencer. Education AV classroom shadows gone. Faculty loves it. Stat and analyst. Retailer 3 to 1 sales lead. Low returns in 500 plus installs. User. Church Tech Skylight Sanctuary. Still punchy. 20K HRS no worries. Test. 2.5 million to 1 contrast held darks deep. Personal. Mine ran 18 hours exhibit nonstop. Fan whisper quiet eco. You might think pricey for install only, but Laser TCO crushes lamp swaps yearly. Saves thousands fleets agree. Or learning curve. Menus intuitive. Shifts auto blend. Feature that surprised? Portrait warping. Floor maps wild. See why thousands buzz. Your tight room painkiller? Comment pick. Imagine weekends reclaimed, rooms lit natural, demos dazzling. Epson PowerLite L690SU delivers that reality. Join integrators seeing crisp 200-inch masterpieces, fleets ditching lamps forever. Real results, brighter collaboration, zero downtime. No gimmicks, just pro power. If you're eyeing short-throw laser projectors, link below checks it. Affiliate disclosure. Tiny commission if you grab, supports channel. Worth peeking?